Next question. Is a woman allowed to swim, even while modest, in a private pool in a person's home, but a non-related man is home and could come out or see at any moment because the house has visibility to the pool?
So again, so she's a mother, so she's in this mother's dress, right? And she's swimming, but men that not related to her can come out.
Yes, and see her.
So that's I would say that's the problem. But I'm going to tell you how is it actually. It's very practical. It's very practical, right? Where in Israel, in the Dead Sea, there is like many beaches, right? Next to the hotel, and in the beginning of this area, there is beach for religious people, right? So it's like away from the hotels. It's a men's section, there is tall fence, right? And like from two sides, and same for women's section. So men go to the right, women go to the left, right? And there's everything covered. But the guy, the lifeguard, it's always a man. That's the problem, right? So even though it is separate, but it's not 100% separate. I mean, it's not 100%. So, but since usually they do not swim, they just they wear all of the modest clothing, right? Even Arabs go there as well, right? So they don't, of course, nobody in dress because they're the son of this lifeguard. But since they're not swimming, so it would be allowed. So they just stand in the water. Okay, and then they go. There is showers inside, indoor showers and stuff like that. For all the other people, it's like they like animals. Fortunately, all the showers, because you have to wash all this salt, in the middle of the beach. In my mind, I do not. I mean, Hashem protects us. So when we would go there, I would go to the. Of course, we go to the religious section, and it's hardly any people. I mean, few people. I'm on the men's section. I mean, it's a big section. It's nobody bothers anybody. It's enough for everybody. But on this non-religious people, it's packed. They don't have restrooms. They don't have the private showers. This and that. It's and nobody have in mind to go from non-religious people to a religious site. I mean, it's good for us basically, all the tourists. Very interesting. So I would say don't do it. One thing when you're just standing, and another thing when you're swimming. So even these modest swimming suits, they have pants, and they have skirts. It's not skirt; it's full dress basically, right? They just made from these materials that they can go into the water. Right? So I would say don't do it.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.